Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Let's Finance Your Freedom. Welcome to this episode. We're going to be comparing between 10 to 12 different platforms that going to be, I'm going to want to break it down to see, let's just say that you have to pick one or two of these platforms to try it out. Which one would it be? Because I know in the last couple of videos, I have been talking about 12 different platforms where you can get started. The first one, just to highlight, is going to be Kajabi. And then that's an all-in-one platform. And then Thinkific, if you want to host courses and community and have physical, digital product to sell, and basically they have affiliate program, things like that, and email marketing. Now, next one I talk about was Teachable. Now, Teachable has been giving you like mainly courses and digital products, and they also trying to help you to integrate with other places with email marketing and then affiliate marketing. Okay, so the next one I have talked about was going to be Podia, and Podia was also a great platform where you can get started, and they're giving you all these different platforms to get started for free, but it's going to be 8% fees on here, full website, email marketing, community, one coaching products and things like that. So I guess they want you to get it try it out to see. They also migrate your content and customer for free if you pay the yearly subscription, things like that. And also talk about Systeme. And Systeme is an all-in-one platform here. They have pretty much majority of the things that you need. They have email, blog posts, courses, community. They have upsell, funnels, and integrations, and custom domain. They have affiliate programs for your products and things like that. So, and I also talk about Vonza, Vonza is a very unique all-in-one platform as well. And they have unlimited amount of customer, things like that. They put all plan has unlimited amount of customer, and they charge you for 10% transaction fees and for the free plan. And the next one I talk about was Gumroad, which is going to be a basically a flat fee of 10%. Okay, you don't have to pay monthly or anything like that. The more you grow on this platform, you can put your physical product, your course, your membership, and they just take 10% of that. Books, membership, courses, coaching, all that stuff in here. Okay, and talk about Payhip before, which is free forever plan, but it's 5%. Then they have the next tier, which is $29 per month, but it's 2% transaction fee. But they have pretty much a lot, like coaching. They have membership. They have email marketing, courses, all that stuff here, calculated for you. Okay. And then I talked about Uteach before, which is right here. And even though it's not really known for all-in-one, but it has a lot of things that you need. They have membership. They have affiliate program, they have digital physical product, they have courses and unlimited amount of storage, all that stuff here, which is pretty cool and unique. And they have also mobile app add-on, and they have built-in CMR and all that stuff here. So if you're interested in that kind of stuff, they also have affiliate program, live affiliate program for your products and stuff, live sessions, and then membership, bundle courses, and automate courses. Last not least, actually, next one is going to be a brilliant directory where you can pay monthly, yearly, or a lifetime website. Okay, I've seen other lifetime hosting and stuff like that, but they don't have as much as 100,000 members and 1,000 built-in features. All this stuff here is very unique. Okay, and you can check it out here, see what features they have in here. The main thing is the white labeling unbranded, and you get daily website backup. They have unlimited amount of admin account, and you can do apps and stuff like here. Because remember, even if you sign up for the regular web hosting, you have to remember you have to get the premium cloud hosting, because you don't want your website to crash when you upload so much content on there, or how to manage your content publishing here, product listing, all this stuff here is very, very unique and awesome. Okay. I talk about Beezer. Where is it? Beezer. Did I close it out? Okay, I don't see Beezer, so let's look for Beezer pricing here. Okay, so Beezer is something that not a lot of you might not be aware of, but it's also a login membership, place that you can sell your products, and a membership push notification. You can sell, design uh, your courses on here, and basically you charge for the membership, but people have access to your course. Could be digital product or physical, could be ebooks or digital, mainly digital products. And they have a lot of integrations as well: live chat, appointment scheduling, countdown, user rating, all the workout things like that, and forums. Okay, and last not least is gonna be Mobiroller. I talked about Mobiroller. The unique thing about Mobiroller is that, okay, let me show you, that you can do apps, Androids and Apple apps and stuff like that, but they have radio broadcast, in-app purchase, and the ads avenue here. You might not be aware, but apps you can monetize. You can put ads, I mean, create apps for free. People download, in the beginning, you can create an app that people use, and you can do unlimited amount of push notification, but you can put ads on there to get um, you can get monetized for that. It's kind of the same as a website, but it's in an app form. Okay, you can do sell your own physical product. You can do restaurant menus, products, all the stuff here. So you can do Apple, Android apps here, and it's very unique. You can do your own AP, TV, radio broadcast, multi-language, advanced analytics, and all that stuff here. But if you ask me between which one I would rate as the best value, and I think that Systeme.io offer a lot of very generous plan. And I'm looking here at the monthly plan, but the annual plan, they have offer you so much with the funnel, everything here. Okay, with the paid plan here is $19 per month, paying yearly. Okay, with the unlimited plan here is only $8.28 per year. Okay, you can learn and do a lot of things on here. Okay, you can integrate. And the thing I like is that the affiliate programs here. You can sign in, set up that affiliate program, because on your when you create your own course, your own membership, your digital product, physical products, what have you, or ebooks, things like that, you need people to help you. Um, you need affiliates to help you grow. Okay, basically that's just the gist of it. The affiliate program for your digital product, physical product, etc. That's gonna help you. So I think offer all-in-one is really very generous with Systeme.io, and with the unlimited plan here is what 828. What is that going to be? Let me see. 828 divided by 12. So it's a lot cheaper than $99, $97. Okay. So was it 828 divided by 12? I think it's like $80 or something like that. $70 to $80 per month if you're paying annually. Now, if you're into membership, I totally think that it's worth it to do the Brilliant Directory. And with their lifetime plan here, they offering you a lot, because remember, you don't want to have a limit. So this lifetime plan, they have 100,000 members. There's some lifetime plan out there with other platform. They give you 5, 10,000 members, things like that, or there's a limit on something. And then you can't really build more features. Now, with Brilliant Directory, they're giving you a lot of features here. If you check out their premium features, they have so much features on here that is amazing. You can do a lot with these add-on features here to help you, and 1,000 features on here is really going to help you. So I hope that this video helped you. If I have to choose between of all the 12 or 10 plus different plan here, I would say that Brilliant Directory is a very robust. and very generous when it comes to their pricing with their forever plan. And if you check out their enterprise plans, if you want to build it big, okay, if you want to do a VIP add-on clubs and stuff like that, they have a lot. Okay, they offer you a lot of help and a lot of guideline to a lot of videos and features on here. So I think Brilliant Directory, in my opinion, if you want to go all in on this, because look here. So even if, let's just say it costs you $100 per month when you're starting out, then you can break even in 14 months, okay, roughly 14, 15 months, meaning that in a year and 3 months, it pays for itself, and you can just continue to grow this audience, this group here that you have created, okay, and it's white labeling, and it's lifetime hosting, meaning that you buy this and it just continue to host it for you. Premium cloud hosting, okay, very important to have daily website backup, because remember there's so many of you guys out there that buy into website and put the WooCommerce to host your course, host your digital products, and it crashed, and you have to go fix it, and you're losing time and energy and customers by when your website is down. And it's very crucial to pick a website, a plan, a platform that actually gonna help you to go the extra mile long terms. Okay, so I think even if, let's just say that you pay $70 somewhere else per month, or let's just say $70. Okay, do the math. So it's take you 20 months, something like that. 20 months or a year and a half, a year and 9 months to break even. That's still really a lot of benefit here. You can still do a lot. You can do, after that is pure profit. You don't have to pay any more after that. I've seen people who pay web hosting for 10 years, 20 years, and they didn't even know about this plan, okay? And they don't know that there's such a plan like a lifetime deal here. You never know your platform, you can grow that many audience on here, 100K members, okay? For some of you, it might be a very good deal. Okay, I know that when you're starting out, this number might seem scary. Like, how am I going to get to that point? But you never know. 5, 10 years down the road, you have that many amount of members, and there's so much more room to grow with this membership here, with this plan here of membership, because you can basically add more. You have include 75 ads on for this price. The values here is just ridiculously awesome here. So they'll tell you upfront how much they charge you for some of these here. If you want to add more members, things like that, etc. So they list everything out for you. But for the most part, everybody, they have this plan here that gonna help you to grow enough. It's enough in here of all the features here. They list out all the features that they tell you right here what they have in here included. Finance tool, content publishing, designing, email, SEO, free support, websites, resources, and unlimited amount of email accounts, unlimited amount of admin, um, you can upgrade if you think it's slow or whatever. The hosting, if it's not to what you would think, you can definitely grow. Let's take this a look. Yeah, so you can add more members. Check this out. You can add more members, and look at that. Yeah, I guess if you get to past 100K members and you still want to grow, there's room to grow. And just basically, instead of paying for hosting a website where having more members might slow down your website, definitely they have a place that they can help you to grow your site. Okay, so let me know if this is helpful and what you've learned from this video that helps you to boost your online business plan, take you to the next step, next level, to grow your audience, you grow your community. I would love to hear from you on the comments below. And until next time, I'll see you in the next videos, and put on the comments below what you would like me to cover, what you think was helpful, or what would you like me to focus on to help you in your journey of financial freedom on your online business. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.